Hey guys, Aaron here with Found Biz. Got a decal here that we're gonna do today. We're gonna do installation. And basically, when you get your decal, we're gonna have this little packet here that comes with the decal. Just our business card. Alcohol pad. And the decal applicator tool. So basically, I'm gonna have my daughter here. She's 15. She's never installed this decal at all. We're gonna show you how easy it is. So you're gonna get the decal and you're gonna peel the first layer off. This first layer is the transfer tape. Your decal is actually going to come off onto that transfer tape. There is certain decals that are going to have problems, and you might have to either take your decal applicator and just go ahead and keep on. It's actually good to do this before you even put the decal on or take it off. Go ahead and just kind of put a little bit of pressure. Make sure it stays on the transfer tape. And it's just gonna come right off onto there. What I do is first take this alcohol pad. Go ahead and just wipe the surface down. Make sure it's clean, there's no dirt. I usually just line it up to whatever brand it is. Just looks nicer that way. Go ahead and let it dry a little bit. I'm going to show her. She's never done this before, so I'm going to show her how I do it, and then I'm going to let her do it. So basically all I do is I line it up to where I want it. Then I get a good idea where I want to put it, and before you put it on, you're gonna end up bowing it like this, like a U shape. And when you put it on, you're gonna have that middle start first, and then you're going to apply the decal. You got that, Addie? All right. So the alcohol is nice and dry. The surface is clean. So you got that. See the logo right there? Just go ahead and line it up, make that U shape, and then apply it in the middle first, and then just let it go. Not let go, but like, apply it like that. There it is. It's pretty good for a first job. And then go ahead and then once you put that decal on, just start in the middle and work your way out on one side. Go ahead and do the other side. And the more you do this, the better, because you want to really have that decal stick on there. And I'll let her pull this off and let's see what we got. Alright, Eddie. Just peel that off and let's see what works. There you go. Even a 15-year-old can do it. Good job.